So we reached here the point where the trail separates to Litlihrutur. You see, it says Litlihrutur, 3.5 kilometers. This trail straight ahead is to Fagradalsfjall, the old eruption. But it's a new trail. They made it, you see. And this is the northernmost cone of 2021 eruption. I don't know what they called it, but the northernmost cone when it erupted here. I was here in the winter when it was snow. You remember? I was here when it was spilling over. It was actually 4th of April 2021. It was spilling over here when it was ice and snow. But we go to the new 3.5 kilometers is not bad actually. It's such a nice hike, really nice trail. Here at Trail A, I recommend it also because here, why I took it, here you can come closer to the volcano, just from the west, you know. You can go on the top of Litlihrutur, you'll see nice videos. So there are 3 trails for now to the volcano, official ones. The eastern trail, which I walked from Fagradalsfjall, is now official trail also. It had been opened like 2 days ago. But it's not yet marketed, or they're working on it. But it's the hardest one, maybe. If they outfit it, it will be good. But then you have this nice trail here, Trail A, which extends towards Litlihrutur, and it's not particularly good here, you see. Like the last section, the last 3.5 kilometers is a bit kind of not the best, but the first trail, the first part is very nice, but it's okay. I mean, so there you see the westernmost spill of lava from Fagradalsfjall 2022 eruption, and there you see Litlihrutur.
Even further.
I decided to film in 4K resolution so that people would have a better feeling, a better sense of the terrain, also better quality, nicer to watch, 4K resolution. Because I just was doing drone videos in 4K resolution now. I will also do the other videos in 4K, so that you would have it in top quality on your screens. Yeah, so this is a new trail made in the last days, really. Like some bulldozer or some truck excavator was working here and made this last week. So we reached the 2022 cone, and you can see the fissure. Yes. You recognize the fissure? I was there last year filming it for you. 2022 cone. We bypass it from the west. Still a bit sick, recovering from the cold, but okay condition. Once again, I thank everybody for super thanks. All people who sent me super thanks, I appreciate it. My God reward you 100-fold. Be well. This guy was driving super fast on this quadricycle, and he can drive this road all the way to the highway through this trail. Like, so if you have a quadricycle, you can access the volcano. Litlihrutur Volcano. I don't know if they allow to drive private quadricycles. Probably it's allowed, I don't know. So this is the last section of the new trail to the volcano from the west.
I know.
We are bypassing the northern tip, the northwesternmost tip of 2022 lava. I'll show you in a moment. Icelandic moss. There is ongoing eruption over there. You see Litlihrutur Mountain. So maybe 2 kilometers. Here you see 2022 cone that erupted last year. See Fagradalsfjall Volcanic big run. This is the trail. We are hiking to the volcano. 2023 eruption. And there you see the northwesternmost tip of Fagradalsfjall lava. You see it's still rigid here. This is 2022 eruption, Fagradalsfjall. There you see 2021 cone. And here you see pretty cool glacial erratics. Let's see the last section of the trail before we reach the volcano from the west. See those rocks?
Well, they could be explosive. There were times with the 2020 large rocks were being As I said, no, I'm not the expert, but I think that often happens towards the end stage. Yes. Well, I remember years and years ago when I first and that's very interesting.
Those guys are wrong. They think it's from explosions. No, those strokes were carried by the melting glacier 11,000 years ago, when Iceland got freed from the glaciers. So it's typical glacial moraine here. There were glaciers here, and when glaciers were retreating, they carried the rocks. See, because you can see yellow clustered on the top. I mean, lava, which was shaped by the glacier, by the water. So this is a Coffin Mountain. We're approaching Coffin Mountain, Kistufar, this box mountain. Just behind it you have the lava, which spilled in the last few days. But I'm going to approach the cone as close as possible. So I walk all the way it's possible to cross over here and reach the new lava fields from the side, you know, like, but far away from the volcano. So I want to get closer to the volcano because I was to fly drone from here is a bit too far away. I don't have a long distance drone. Maybe one day I should consider that, buying that. Okay, wind.